Hello, welcome back. The other day I got a couple new Armani eye tints. I love these, they're so easy to use. So I thought to myself I will show you how to do a really quick and easy smoky eye, just using the Bobbi Brown face base. If you are new here, as much as I love makeup, I do not like spending a lot of time doing it. I want quick and easy makeup looks. 20 minutes max is what I want to spend on doing my makeup, and that is a glam makeup. My everyday makeup, I'll bang that out in 5 minutes. So most of my looks here will be more on the quicker side. So I figured today I'll show you just one of my favorite ways to do like a really quick eye look. I'll do my whole face, but this is more kind of just to show you how to do the eye look. I'm just gonna go with the Easy Blur by Huda Beauty. The shade I use is Cheesecake. I mean, it's always good to know how to do a quick eye look, especially if, I don't know, you're in the office all day or you're working all day and you're going out for dinner or drinks or something like that straight after work, and you want to do just like a quick, like 5-minute look. I've got you. Going to contour with the usual. I will use this till the death. It's the NARS Creamy Contour. I feel like I say the same thing in every video because I use the same products all the time. So if you watch all my videos, number one, thank you. Number two, I'm sorry for saying the same thing all the time. It is the greyest, dreariest day here right now in Vancouver. My whole house is dark and it's like 11 o'clock. For my concealer, I'm using the Terracotta Concealer by Guerlain. A little bit on my chin here in the center, give a little highlighted effect. I love using this brush for my concealer. It's the Fenty highlight brush. It has this like little curve to it, which is it's actually really nice for highlight too, because it like hugs the cheek. But I also think it's like the perfect little shape for blending out concealer, because it just kind of fits in around and just blends it out. Really like it. I'm going to set that now with my Easy Bake powder in the shade Cupcake. I need to get a new one of these. I'm going to use the Rode blush. This is the shade Freckle. One of my faves. I think I need to pick up a few more of these. Try a few of the other colours. Brows, the usual. Using the Benefit Brow Pencil, the shade number 3. Okay, I don't want my brows to be that heavy, but here we are. Doesn't matter, we're going for a smoky eye anyway, so it will balance out. And a little bit of brow gel just on top. Now let's get into the eyes. Okay, I'm going to use cream products today on the eyes because they're really quick, easy to blend, no messing about. And also, when you're using cream on your eyes, don't use a primer. I have found that when I use an eye primer on my lid and then I go in with a cream product on top, the primer makes the cream product so hard to blend. You don't get a nice, flawless, seamless blend on it. It just drags it, makes everything hard. It's just not the vibe. So I will always say, skip anything on the lid. Just go straight in with your product. I'm going to use that Laura Mercier Coca eyeshadow stick. If you know, you know I absolutely love this product. I have used it in many a tutorial. So you will see this quite a lot. I'm going to go all over the lid. Doesn't need to be neat because we're going to blend it out. I'm going to take this little flat but fluffy brush and just kind of tap and drag that. I will go between two different brushes. I also have like a bigger, fluffier brush here. I kind of like to use something that's a little bit more dense first, just to kind of press the product in, and then I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush. Just going to go in and I'm going to blend that in through the crease, and I'm going to drag it out a little bit. And then in between I'll just kind of get my foundation brush or my concealer brush and just wipe any excess up towards the temple. So we're kind of doing a little bit of a lift just to clean any little bit as I go. I'm going to add some more. And the good thing about this eyeshadow stick, it gives you time to play around and move it around. So it's very beginner friendly if you're someone who's like not that experienced or comfortable doing makeup. Products like this will be your best friend. I'm going to take a little bit of this on this little flat brush and I'm going to go underneath the eye, just close up along the lash line. I'm going to use my finger just to soften that. I mean, you could literally just add mascara now and you're done, and that is the quickest smoky eye ever. But we're gonna take it up a notch. I'm gonna take this eye tint from Armani. This is the shade 6BS. It's like a shimmery and metallic bronze. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go right on top of this. I'm gonna use the fluffy brush just to kind of tap and drag that over. You could totally just do this on its own, but it won't be as dark. That's why I put the brown underneath, so it's like a base for this. But yeah, you can use either of these on their own. Yeah, I don't have anywhere to go today, but I am 100% gonna wear this look out over the Christmas. I also got this one, which is the shade 67S. I'm gonna take a little bit, just right up the center. I'm gonna add a small bit to the inner corner. I don't know if I'll do falsies or not. I'm gonna just do my mascara first and see. Using my Lancome mascara. Oh. I think I'm gonna skip on the false lashes. I don't think it needs it. How quick and easy was that? I mean, I think that is so quick and easy. If you're a beginner, yeah, it's gonna take you, you know, a little bit more time because you're new to it. My Galan bronzer. You already know. Just to finish my skin. And I'll take a little bit of the Patrick Ta highlight. Just a bit of the powder one. It's called Baby. And just add a little bit. I mean, it's already quite glowy. I don't want to be too glowy, but just a little bit on the cheeks. So what will I do on my lips? I'm going with Greige again. Can't help myself. This is Greige by MAC, in case you don't know. I wear this all the time. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit with Wherever Walnut by Makeup Forever. A little bit of Flesh Pot, very pale nude, just in the center. And then I've got this glossy lip balm shade from YSL, just on top. Add a little bit of gloss. And that is it. I hope you think that this is a quick and easy smoky eye, and more importantly, I hope it's helpful. And I will be back with a couple of more glam looks for Christmas and New Year's. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.